Being recorded.
Maybe, yes. Good. Good. Okay, let me share the screen. Let's see where we are. Good evening, everyone. Good. How are you all? Great. Good. So, did any one of you tried any project, have any link to show the HTML, CSS animations? Yesterday, we discussed animations, ma'am. I told you how to animate something. And you can create a beautiful animations also, I told. Have you guys tried any animation, sir? No one? What you will do, Ray, after you go home? Like after this class, do you guys have any other class? When that class will be over? Never over, right? Like morning at what time you guys will woke up, ma? 6. From morning 6 to now, what you guys will do? Like classes only? You know, you know what is the problem here with the most students? Let me tell you one biggest myth. See, let's go to the paint. Let me tell you one simple story. There is a guy named Prasad, and Prasad is a normal student. And you know what the Prasad will do? Morning 9 o'clock, he will prepare subject 1. He will study subject 1 for 2 hours. Again 11 o'clock, he will attend and try for subject 2. Again, 1 o'clock, he will try for subject 3. Again, 4 o'clock, he goes for subject 4. 6 o'clock, he goes for subject 5. Then after that subject 5 is over, till 2 o'clock he will just watch his phone and reels and chat. And 2 p.m. he will sleep, and he will woke up exactly at 7 o'clock. And again he will get up and all. He will come again after breakfast 9 o'clock. He will repeat it. An average student. Any other thing you wanted to add? Huh? Games. This only. Till night 2 o'clock, what you will do, Ray? After 8 o'clock? 8 to 2. Phone only, na? How many of you sleep exactly 10 o'clock? Seriously? Okay. What that one I will not believe what though. But you guys, 10 o'clock you will sleep. Where do you stay? With your parents? Hostel. In hostel you are sleeping 10 o'clock, your friends are not saying anything? When I used to be in hostel, if anyone tried to sleep at 12 o'clock also, we used to wake him up. I don't know, maybe those people are good. See, you know what is the problem with this cycle? 90% of the students follows this. I'm not blaming this. Dekho, everyone have their own phone personal. Go with 8 to 2, your wish. I'm not blaming that. You sleep, you do whatever the charts. But this cycle is the biggest problem to me. Why? Because most of the students try to learn everything. You did 4 years the same thing. After some days, suddenly someone will put one exam and you will do one night out and study for that exam, leaving all the remaining exams. We used to have morning one mathematics class, M1, and suddenly M1 said it like test is there tomorrow. That's it. I will forget remaining all classes. I will not even listen C class. I will study M1 only. When C test is there, I will not listen M1 class. This is how the interesting students. Now, after certain point, both exams will come, same exams. Then I will leave everything. I will study the night out. This is not quality. You guys came here not to acquire the job. You guys came here to learn a skill. If you get a skill, you will get the job. You are learning all kichdi. You are not getting exact one. My point is, you see, you are learning different things. Some people are learning unique. I don't know. You are doing evening HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Morning you do Python. Afternoon you do database. एक प्रेफरेंस दे दो सर हमको वो पूरा नहीं आ रहा है डेटाबेस समझ हो रहा है पुट योर टाइम फॉर डेटाबेस छोड़ दो रिमेनिंग क्लासेस गिव योर बेस्ट फॉर 1 month after 1 month go for the job in the database later your career will be there put your time for only front end go for the job put your time for only Python go for the job put your time only for communications class go for some kind of nice communication jobs don't say it like no I know basics in Python. I know basics in database. That is what most people do. Are you getting my point, ma? You will never find people with zero knowledge, but you will know 90% of the people are half knowledge. You all will run until some 60, 70 percentage. When you are learning subject, 100% you should go. This will happen. I'm not denying it, this fact. This is the factual information. If tomorrow your Python sir said it test na, today evening when I take JavaScript class, your mind will be like, chhod do, I need to think about that. Imagine tomorrow you are having Python interview. Today night you will not focus on JavaScript. But my point is, तुम्हारा goal क्या है exactly? You are not chasing any mad dog, right? If you choose a mad dog na, you will end up somewhere else. You know what you want. Already you have seen. You all came to backend classes na? Have you all are there at least in one class, right? Java or Python or .NET, kuch bhi? How many Java are there? Only one. How many .NET? Two. Python. अच्छा, Python का बैच है वो. Any other? Only database and HTML. हाँ, Python भी है ना. Now, you guys, if you really like that, go for jobs. The moment today, if you join in Java class, na, today onwards, you should look for Java jobs. Because if you put your Java jobs today, after 1 month, you will get your call. After 2 months, interviews will be done and you will get the call letter. No one will do swimming after they learn. When you jump into the pool will teach you the swimming. Are you getting my point, ma? Everyone who learned bicycle, everyone who learned bike will do that only. They will not see, they will not learn. No one will do the mechanics and all. They will just ride the bike, simple. Right? So you also try it, sir, now. Don't fall into that cycle of daily routine. When you make your life routine, na, you will not feel something good in it. No skill will come from routine. Take only one thing. Sir, I don't want this all. I wanted another career. Go for that only. कुछ भी try it 100%. एक month, खाली एक month. Try it. If you wanted to be some another kind of hero or some kind of anchor or some kind of heroine, कुछ भी, go there. 1 month पूरा सब बंद करो. Try कर. Sincerely try कर. 1 month full Python or 1 month full database or 1 month full front end. 1 month full only communication. Ultimately, what is our goal? You are not born to do Python. You are born to earn something and live happily. Your parents or relatives, no one will ask you, are you doing Python? No. They will ask you how much your package. Money is important thing, especially to the boys. It's a mandatory skill. Okay? So make it yourself one skill. This is very hard lesson. You guys just came to the field. Okay. Is there anyone who is like 1 year back passed out 2023, 2022 guys? Now they know that more hard the lesson. Okay. Now starting 10 class in better to start learning but remaining 10 dangerous, sir. I didn't understand. I didn't understand, Anil Kumar, your question. But whatever it is, just focus on that, sir. Go on one skill only. Don't go with multiple. Is it clear? Are you all fixed, ma? Is it clear? Now onwards, focus on it. Okay. Now go here. In my class, listen my class. Okay. Now let's go here. Let me start it here. Okay. What about offline? Anyone have animations? Anyone did any site? No. Online, some people did the sites. Offline also, if you do, you can say, tell me. Like something, Mansi. See, some people are consistent. These people send it every day. This one is cool idea, na? Charging. You know what can be more cool idea? Here, instead of one div increasing, what if one div is there? Second div, third div, one by one div comes and div goes. When the divs are increasing, it will make it. But that one thoda complex because more number of divs. But this one is also logically looking good. Battery charger. Nice idea. Next. Tulsi Love. Republic Day. Excellent. Happy Republic Day to all. Wish you all advanced Republic Day. Okay. And interestingly, Indians don't, we, especially some people don't celebrate it, these festivals like how we celebrated our Sankranti and all. Okay. But actually, these things mean something. Okay. Now, tomorrow is the only time where flags everyone will have. Now, next. Oh, this is animating. I didn't check it. One, two. Can you see this? If I'm putting my mouse over this only, it is changing it, or maybe no, automatically it's changing the colors, backgrounds. Backgrounds are automatically changing. Looking good, ma. This is also zooming. How much zoom it will, right? Okay, good. Is it clear, ma? Next, authentic foods. Images are too good. The authentic home shop, about shop, go to google.com. Okay. Search bar, login, go here, taste nutritious food, grid. Now, can you see the problem here? They are not centered. See, left side thoda gap, right side more gap. If they put it in exact center, na, it would work more nice. Okay, and that too, if they are zooming or something clickable, na, it will be more good. Horizontal scrolling, no one will like it when they are having horizontal scrolling. But remaining all are good. Authentic foods. Okay. Kiran 1, animations. What is this? Welcome to our website. Wipe the blocks are moving. But I like this, like, one by one coming. What is the order? Why they are coming like that? But horizontal scrolling is coming. Else it would be better. See, how to remove horizontal scrolling is like if you have exactly 100 VW, it will not have any horizontal scrolling. Fix it, make it as 100 VW only. And here, can you see the problem, ma? I'm telling it to you. Animations are there. This all people put animation. But वो animations का purpose होना है. For example, this one battery animation. Good. इसका एक purpose है, battery charger दिखा रहा है. This one is having one animation. It's like it's showing your country things. This one is not having animation, वो छोड़ दो. But here blocks are moving ना, उसका meaning क्या है? Are you getting my point? Now I want that meaning. I want you to do animations, but animation should have a meaning. Because if it is not their meaning, what is the use? Remaining all are good. Kiran1.com. Where you get these thoughts, Ray? Yesterday also you are the one who brings the tech buds. Good. Website 1. Nice idea. What? Copy. Okay, it's not copied correctly. This is very cool. This is very good out of all. Welcome to the animation world. Hover a button to explore more. Hover. Animation world. Okay, it is going into direct animation website only. Okay, go back. This is really good. See, this slowly upward button are having some kind of good logic. Any doubt, sir? Sometimes now you go to some e-commerce websites, buttons will shake. Emergency, alert, something kind of one. Okay, 5 minutes, 2 minutes kind of thing. Like different kinds of websites, people will put different kinds of animations. Those animations mean some kind of meaning to them. Now, I will tell you one website which will give you nice animations to the most easiest way. Everyone, note down the website name Animista. Online, am I audible? I hope. There is one website called Animista. Animista. If you go to this website, you will get the animations, whatever the animations you want, you will get it. But it's your creativity to make the website more better. Animista will give you really nice animations. Animista. Go to this website, open it. Can you see these animations? You can do animations like this. Now, sir, can I do it? You can do it, but you need to write so many keyframes, na? This one will give you directly keyframes easily. Now the ajao. Here you can see it, na? This is scaling. Do you wanted to do scale up, like scale up like this, or scale up right like this? No, like this, like this. Whatever you wanted to do. See, it is scaling. How much time you want? I wanted to scale 2 seconds. What function you want is, do you want any delay? No. What is the direction? Normal or alternate? Now देखो. This effect automatically it's coming na? Now after you make the effect, can you see your code symbol? Generate code. See her last generate code is there. Click here generate code. Automatically code आ जाता उसका. इसका पूरा कोड आता. Web keyframes. Now you copy this keyframes and paste it into your code. You will get it. One more time, sir. Go here. Go to something like text animations. Uh-huh. What is this? Now, one more example. This site is something wrong in it. Let me type it here one more time. Something zoom effect is coming on. Name is the. What? Why it is coming right side ray to me? Seriously? Now, Lelo. Everyone see it clearly here. One more example. Why to do it here? I will do it in my website only. Go here. Go here. File. Open folder. HTML, CSS, JS. Now go here. Take this all animations. Control KC. Put this animation H1. Prasad. Class. Text. Go to style. Now, sir, do I have any animation, sir, for this text? No. See, I did not put any animation for this text. Just Prasad comes as Prasad. Right? Go to my website, Animista. I will choose one animation. Text animations. I saw like this or like this. Let's take this. I'm taking this, sir. One more time. You can see it. Okay. Now I'm taking this. Here, time and all, you can change it how much you want. After changing it all, click here, generate code. And after clicking generate code, I will click here, whatever the animation they gave. This is the animation name they gave. Let me copy the animation name they gave. Copy the animation name, class text, dot text. Did I did that, sir? No, I just generate it. These are called CSS generators. There are so many CSS generators. Now you go here, down, go down. See, let me take keyframes. Sir, there, see, keyframes, WebKit keyframes, two things will be there. Don't think about it. Both are same only. Difference is sometimes now if you do one function, if that function is not working for Google Chrome, I wanted to make it forcibly work. Then you will write @ WebKit. If you wanted something to not work in Mozilla Firefox, you will write MOZ. Like this, for every browser, you will write different forcible one. But we don't need to do the animations 100% they will work. Now go here. Copy. Paste. Sir, what I did, I go here. I go here, text. I just saw one text. I just click here forward. I just changed whatever I want. After changing it, click here, generate. Third icon. Can you see this? Click here, third icon. Now I got it all. I copy pasted it. Now if I go to my website, refresh it. Can you see this? Now what you will do? Body, display flux, justify content center, align item center, height 100 VH. Now you go here. Any doubts? Online, any doubts? One more. Go to text. Can I see more? Go here. See this. Contracts. Okay. 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 This is contracting out. Then flicker. Focus. Expand. Expand forward. Expand backward. Focus. Good logic, na? Now I can try these things. Blur out. Blurred. Or flickering. Glowing. Oh. Like a light bulb. Animation. Text. Light bulb. Animation. Text. Light bulb. There are so many advanced CSS ones which you can use for this, but we didn't discuss those things. You can try it if you want it. This is just a text shadow. They just tried it, but try it, sir. You can copy this simple CSS. Go down, go down, go down. At the rate keyframes. Copy. Go here. Sir, they wrote it 89.9%, 90%, 89.8%, 79.4%. I can't write this many, na? So I'm just taking their code, simple. Okay, go here. See this? Are you getting my point, sir? Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Yeah. Just try it. This website have really cool ones. I have tried it earlier. That's why I'm giving it. Okay, you can try it with Infinite also. You know how to do it. If you go here, animation, iteration count, infinite, timing is 2.5 seconds, 5 seconds, iteration count, alternate. It will disappear and again it will come. Are you getting my point, ma? Try it any kind of logic you want. See, this is the shaking button logic, flickering logic, shake, jello, wobble, bounce, pulsate, blink. Backgrounds. Can you see that zooming effect? This is called Ken Burn animation. This is called Ken Burn animation. If you type it in internet, Ken Burn animation background, you will get so many CSS. You can try it. Ken Burn animation like top right, top left. You can do only specific position they are doing it. How do they do, sir? You know, background, you can change position, background position. They will target background position and they will target with scaling effect. Okay. It's actually scaling one particular element in that particular background position. That is looking something good kind of thought. Any doubts here? No. I highly recommend you to use the animations wisely so that you will get it something good. Now, next, let's write it here, everyone. Animations. Animation is nothing but element moves from one state to another state via multiple states. Animation will have animation name. It defines the name of the animation. Animation duration, which defines the time, time, which defines the time, which defines the time in seconds or milliseconds of animation. Next, animation, animation name, animation duration, animation timing function, function to decide how animation runs, like is in, is out, is out, is in, out, linear. See, there are so many other timing functions also. Okay, I have discussed the basic ones. Animation delay, time to stop, time to delay the animation before it starts, before it starts in seconds or milliseconds, in seconds or milliseconds. Animation direction, direction. In which direction decides which direction animation should run, like like normal, reverse, alternate, alternate, reverse. After this, animation iteration counts. These are the main important ones. Iteration count, iteration count, number of times, Animate to repeat. People use infinite, but infinite very rarely use it. Okay. Because every time animation runs, it costs some time into your thing. Understand, animations not only make it look good, animations also cost so much time. Time is money. So your website, someone will don't want to waste the time. Next one, sir. We need to define animations using we need to define animations using keyframes at the rate keyframes at the rate keyframes where each and every stage of animation will be defined. 0% is starting from 100% is ending of the animation, which is 2. Time is considered per percentage. Doubts? Online, any doubts, sir? Online, any doubts? No. Next thing we will discuss media queries. Okay, after that we can discuss some advanced things if time is there. Let's start, sir. Media queries. Responsive design. Responsive design. Media queries. A design or a web page should be responsive. Responsive means it should it should look it should look fit to the every device. People will see our websites in multiple devices. Some people will see it in a device which is like something laptop, big device. Laptop screens are bigger. Some people will see your website in something desktop. Desktop bole to it's like something old monitor kind of thing. Okay. That will be something smaller than the laptop screen. Some people will see it like tablets. Okay. And tabs will be there. Some people will see your website in phones, right? Again, in phones, they will rotate your website for landscape mode. Okay. In tablet, again, they can make it a portrait mode. Tablet also you can rotate landscape and portrait. Laptop you can't do that, but every other things you will try. Now, so here types of device are most, see, mostly websites only I'm talking. Mostly websites only talking. Okay. I am not considering watch. Watch is also a device actually, but I'm not considering no one will check it like my website in watch. So I'm just checking that one. Okay. But the, that's just an assumption one. So go here first laptop. Laptop. So now before you think about this, you need to think any replacement opportunity. What? Now, focus here. Now, laptop. Sir, any device you think about this device. What is the minimum width to maximum width? Normally, laptops will be which size? Laptop screen will be which size? Never consider the height because height of the website will be always good only. What is not good? Width. If I open my website, width won't be good. Laptop height will be always good. Now height people will anyway scroll up, right or not? Width has to be managed. So now minimum width. Usually some old laptops will have something like 1280. Maximum width 1440 pixel. If I watch it in TV website, then TV will be more bigger than the 1440. So it will, it will be more. So I'm just considering best of the cases. Usually people will go with this. Okay. Doubt? No. Desktops. See it, I'm just giving a general view. What if, sir, if tomorrow Samsung or some laptop is having it like something 1000 pixel only? It might be possible. It is just general statical idea. Okay. It's not like I'm 100% saying it like every laptop should be manufactured in this stage. No. Okay. Now, desktops will be having some kind of 990 to 990 pixel to something like 1280 pixels. You can say 1279. Tablets. Tabs. Something 776 or something kind of pixels to 997 pixel. Sir, do I need to remember? No need. If you type it in internet, you will get this. Okay. And no one do that, remember. Laptop, desktop, tablets, and most important thing, mobiles. Anything which is less than 776. Online, any doubts here? It is not necessarily, it is not necessary to divide to divide exact sizes, but using CSS, we can treat each screen separately. What does it mean? It means, sir, laptops को एक CSS I will write. For mobile phones, I will write another CSS. For tablets, I will write one CSS. For desktop, I will write another CSS. हर each वाला अलग अलग CSS लिखता. And that is possible by media queries. @media queries. Media queries. It is used to define a certain range and CSS written inside media queries will be applied to only specified sizes or specified criteria. Whatever the specified criteria you give, that only it will be applied. Example, sir. H1 background color red. Sir, what is H1 ka background color? If you write this CSS, what will happen? H1 ka background color will become red. But if I see this @media max width is used for maximum width. Max width is used for maximum width. Max width 566 pixel. H1 background color blue. It means until what is the maximum width? 576. Until 576 pixel H1 BG color will be blue. Okay. Later it is red normally. Any doubt, sir? No. Let's go and create a simple website. Let's go and create a simple website. Projects. I did one project here. So many projects I did, like Logitech. Where is this Logitech? Oh, Logitech is background na. Grid box I did. Why? I will take it new one. Responsive. Index.html. Script.js. Sorry, style.css. Go to index.html. exclamation enter, link, CSS, now go here, take it any one official website. If I take it here, Netflix, I'm getting here Netflix, sir. In Netflix, here, how many images are coming? 6. Inspect. Now, how many images are coming? 4. When I go for bigger screen, 6. When I go for smaller screens, 4. Okay. Next. If I go down, here also, 4 cards are coming. When I go for smaller screen, can you see that? Earlier, 4 cards are in single row, na? Guys, earlier 4 cards in single row, na? Now are they in single row? Now they are coming in 2 by 2. When it will change? Dekho, exactly dekho. Now, if they are getting it here, let me do it myself. Go down. Sir, if you are see, 1480 my pixel is, my size is. When I go less, it is coming. But when I reach 1280 na, exactly dekho. Whenever I reach 1280, 1279, kya hua? Change it na? That means something code is written like this. See the code? The code is only for these people who are changing. Go here only for this element. You can see it here. At the rate, minimum width 960. They are giving some padding. Okay. Now, when I go for top, when I go for less, exactly for 1280, they wrote something. Where is 1280? At the rate media query 1280, 1280. Why it's not coming? Maybe ऊपर लिख दिया. At the rate 1280. Exactly somewhere they must have right. Else it won't come. Inside this. Now come here. Media queries. Go here. Now comes to the 4 fields. Now it should come now. Now I will try to replicate the same code, sir. I will try to replicate it the same code. Okay. My logic is after I go to certain stage, they will become 4. Is this clear, ma? Now, so 4 divs inside my code. Div.container. Container. Inside this container, div.item and asterisk 4. Now go here, asterisk margin 0, padding margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. Now if I go here, container, grid, display grid, grid template columns 4, grid template columns 4. Width is total 100 percentage. Body height 100 VH. Container width 100 percentage. Each div ka background color item. I will put here one background color. Inspect. There a background. Border color. Inherit. Height. Div. This is the background color. See this? Copy. Background. Index.html. Let's run. Go here. Width 100 VW. Why each one is not coming, sir? Huh? I linked them now. Grid template columns I did not give. I gave now. Oh, grid template columns wrong. Repeat 4 comma 1 FR. Now also it's not coming. Width 200 pixels. It seems strange, Ray. What? Oh, इसको height नहीं है. This is the point. Height is not there. Gap 20 pixel. Border radius 20 pixel. Padding top 20. Left and right 50. Now, this is how it looks. Any doubts here? Online, any doubts, ma? No, this is a normal one. But if I go to small device, na, according to your logic, what should happen? If you go to small device, this 4 should become 2, 2. But is it becoming 2, 2? It will become now. At the rate media queries. At the rate media. You should write it here something media. At the rate media. You can give max width. You can give min width. You can give max width and min width both also. I'm preferring it something max width. Maximum width. How much? 776 pixel. That means until 770 pixel chod do normal thing. but maximum width 770 pixel. I put it here, एक बार 776 पिक्सल यही है मैक्सिमम. तो इसके नीचे whatever you write it here, it will apply to before this. It will apply to before this. After this, it will not apply. After this, it will not apply. Is it clear, ma? After that, normal code only will apply. Now here, what you will do? Here, inside this particular one, I will say container. What is container? How many columns are there, container? How many columns are there? 4 columns. Normally 4 columns. But here I will say, if you are in this range, na, if you are in this range, na, keep it only 2 columns. देखो maximum until you come to Begumpet, do this. After that, normal only. Until you come to Begumpet, go slow. After that, your wish. Same way until it comes to the 776. Why until? Because maximum width है. If I give minimum width ना उधर से शुरू होता. Is it clear? Now what will happen? Your code very simple. Total 4 are there, but if I go here, chota code. Can you see here? How many are there? Two columns. Sir, we want 2 background colors, upper some line and other dusra color. I didn't understand. Now take it here. Now see this one. See this width. 489. What if I am increasing? Until when 2 columns, sir? What if I go more than 776? What it will become? Normal. Normal means what it is there? See? Means only that box background color is gray, other is yellow. That is put body color. Now dekho. Now sir, I am giving something more crazy. I am saying it like, if you come to this na, give here more code. See, in within this braces, you can write whatever you want. I'm saying it. Body ka background color yellow. Sir, body ka background color yellow will be until 776. So now, what is it? 770 is background color yellow, ma? But if I go 776 or less than 776, what will happen? Body ka background color also be yellow हो जाता. यही छे responsive code हो जाता. Now, sir, let's write it more interesting. Instead of this, why don't you write it similarly like this? @media minimum width 777 pixel, and you will use and means both we want it, and maximum width 1280 or 1080, your wish, kuch bhi. Same code, I'm giving it in a different logic. 3 columns. How many? Background, change it to some red color. Too bright आ रहा है. Now see this, sir. Normally, what is the background? What is the background normally? How many columns are there? 4. But if I go here, 777, can you see this here? Minimum 777 to up to 1080. That means until 108080, you will get it something like 3 columns only. Now you go here, see how many columns are there? See, now you go until 1080, same logic will come. But if I go more than 1080, na, anyone guess if I go more than 1080, what, how many columns will be there? Doubt? Doubt, sir? You can put that also. If I give less than the minimum weight, that will go to the 776 na. 776 I wrote it now already. Okay. Sir, can you write it any another logic? Like I can even do media like max weight for mobile phones. 576 maximum mobile phones. Mobile phones, 2 columns are also not looking good. In mobile phones, 2 columns also people will not see. So I will put it here in mobile phones only 1 column. See how much easy it is. You can change paddings, you can change kuch bhi. Now, sir, this is big device. This is a desktop. This is tablet. This is mobile. And this is called the responsiveness of website. Online, any doubts? Online, any doubts? When we do our main portfolio website now, I will do responsiveness also. Because without responsiveness, you should not do any design. Okay. Sir, in that responsive one, you can put it any logic. Like, can I change padding? Yes. Can I change any property? You can put any property, but rule is you should put that properties within these braces. Whatever you put it in this media braces, those things will apply to only that particular media. I hope it is clear. Any doubts, ma, online? I hope no. No. Can I change from device to device properties in at the rate media? Yeah, that is what I'm doing it now. From device to device, I'm changing the properties in media. You can do it whatever you wanted. Sir, I said it display grid. But what if in mobile phone na I will make it display none. So पूरा नहीं दिखाता simple. They will just make it disappear. So while building online, someone Mansi exactly gave right answer. She said it like while building the website only, while creating website, you should check whenever you created one particular thing, one particular component or one particular scroller, banner, kuch bhi, you should check exactly which point it is breaking, exactly which point it is not looking good. Then you should change that to make it look good in another devices. Are you getting my point, ma? In which devices your website is not looking good, you should check it. You should check that breakpoints, and though based on that, you should change the breakpoints. It's not like the breakpoints are mandatory. It's clear. And tips for the media queries. Tips for responsiveness. Tips. Always, always try flux and grid. Don't use float or something. Right, right. Always try to use flux and grid. And Never, never allow more spaces, more spaces using paddings, paddings or margin. Use REM, percentages, VW, VH instead of pixel. Now, next. In normal scenario, someone is asking it like, sir, in normal scenario, when we build projects, how do we create the layout? Is it first grid, then flux, and then media query to see what is the multi-device? It's not like flux or grid. First, you should do your Figma design. Something like you will first design wireframe in your mind. वो कैसा दिखाना है. After that, go with something called, flux or grid. What is the difference here? When your elements are flowing in one direction, go with the flux. When it is flowing in two directions, go with the grid. Okay, simple. Next, um, what more will be there? Always use media queries at the end of the file. At the end of the file. Never try to do each one separate media queries at that particular place only. That will create performance issues. Try to put it at the end. Try different backgrounds for different devices. Most people, when they put one background, they will use the same background for another device also, which will give you something bad impact. You know in HTML how to give different images for different foreground. Something like picture element is there. Okay. But the background images are something not good. Online, is it clear, ma? Any doubts here? No. Now next. Now next one. I will tell you some websites. I will tell you some websites, and we will also think about how to do our project, which is our portfolio. Monday we will do our project. So today we will just brainstorm. Think about your ideas, my ideas. We will note it down, and Monday we will build it. Okay. First, sir, to practice the CSS completely, use the websites like basic CSS. If you wanna try a website like free code camp. If you wanna try basic CSS, free code camp. Go there. No, obviously you need to log in. You will get each CSS simple level. In HTML, I have shown this. Okay. Now online, someone is asking while placing background image, if it big it cuts, if we make it small aspect ratio, will create a problem. What to do? See, for each and every day aspect ratios, for example, don't take only one image for different devices. Another one, take it the same image and change it into that aspect ratio and then bring it. Put it different images. Images never get responsive. Now, another website for practice, for practice, front-end mentor. For practice, front-end mentor. For practice, front-end mentor. Go here. For learning, free code camp. For learning, free code camp. For practice, front-end mentor. Front-end mentor. Next, for inspiration, you can use dribble. Inspiration bole to, sir, you wanted to create something, you will see something and you will create, na? So to see something, you will use a dribble, or or Behance, Behance. You can see nice websites in Dribble or Behance, or Figma community, Figma community, which is the easy one. Figma community is the. If you wanna build it portfolio, if you write it here portfolio, you will get it here so many portfolio templates, and you take it here any one portfolio template, and then you can open that file. Then automatically you can able to do any kind of changes into it. Now someone created some portfolio files. So now I just wanna check it here. What were the things they did? Oh, they did it only cover page. No portfolio pages. Go here. See here portfolio pages are there now. So I will go here first device device one. Now I will just go zoom. And if I like this particular one na, dekho, I wanted my portfolio also exactly like this guy. Dekho. I wanted my portfolio also exactly like this guy. Then what you can do, you can also take this particular reference, exact reference. So how much width, how much height, how much pixels, and each and every image also you can take it. And that particular image, if you want it like, see this guy image I will not take. But if you wanted some images, you can click on that, you can go down, you can export it. You can see the colors here, and if you click this color, they will tell you color code, and you can copy it and you can do it. Are you getting my points, ma? For inspirations ones, these sites will give you really good idea. Okay, so that it will look professional. If you try 2-3 websites by seeing someone else design, your mind will tell you what to put, what not to put later. Okay. 3 websites I told you for inspiration: Dribble, Behance, and Figma community. Okay. Now, online someone are asking doubts. Sir, in doing practice, I put one background image, but small 3-4 pics are on background. How to fit it proper? Background size you need to change. Background size cover, background repeat. Oh, no repeat karo. We did that already. Try it. Now, next, if you want nice fonts, use font. Google Fonts is the easy one. Google Fonts is the easy one. Go to Google Fonts. Side headings, how to remember? What side headings, Ray? I didn't understand, Nagraj. Now go here. Go to Google Fonts and select it whatever the font you wanted to do. Or famous websites like, if you remember when I discussed this, I told you the font, 1001 fonts. The fonts and 1001 fonts. You can use any of these fonts also. For our main project, I will take from this only actually. For our main projects, I'm not going to use Google Fonts because in earlier projects I used it. Now, next one. For images, try free pick. Try free pick. Someone is asking, sir, while applying background properties to body, it will apply beyond the body too. How to solve? Make it max width and max height. Can we increase the size of icon taken from font awesome? Actually, it's not increasing. It is getting fixed. So better take it from any another websites to make it increase. Okay. Now even I tried it later, it didn't work it out. So try it with any another site. Okay. Instead of font awesome. I will show you what were the best things. Don't worry. For photos, for photos, use the free pick, or I will tell you one nice website which will give you real good images AI generated. You have so many DALI and all, don't no need to use there. You can use something called Ideogram. Ideogram. This one will give you images which are AI generated and 100% free. But it will be thoda slow. If you generate one image, it will give it to you some kind of 2-3 minutes later. But you can generate really high quality images for free of cost. Like this. You need to be so much clear on the prompt. If your prompt is clear, you will get it. You can generate logo also here. Dekho. Generate logo. What's your name? Aman. Generate a logo. Aman for developer portfolio. But actually, this is not a good one. You need to give your prompt so good. Okay. Like imagine if you already have idea on what shape you want, what colors you want, what style you want, you can specify. I'm not having anything idea. I'm just creating it directly. So it will just say it like create it. Okay, interesting. It is just taking only 20 seconds. Sometimes it will take it like 2-3 minutes. There are so many image creators are there, but as of I tried till now, this one is the best. Okay. Remaining all are paid ones. They are just pulling me into the paid and all. But this one give me something good. Where it is? Generation completed. Aman. Aman. Okay. Aman. Actually, this can be done with something kind of, gaming kind of one. Aman. If you have an exact idea, you will get it more kind of good. Are you getting my point, ma? Okay. But there are some another websites which most people use are Unsplash. Okay. Kind of thing. You can use Unsplash or Pixels also to get it the images. Nice. For icons, use SVG Repo. svgrepo.com. For icons, use svgrepo.com. For icons, use svgrepo.com. You can download different types of icons and different kinds of crazy things will be there in these icons. And all you need to do is imagine yourself something better. Okay. Not but not least, there is something called editing. I know that you guys are good with your images. Don't put direct images. Do some chota editing into your image so that it will become more better. Okay. Every creative create it. There is one tool called Canva, which is very easy. If you try it, Canva will not be something difficult. Okay, even beginners can try it. It's not something editors will do something. No, kuch nahi. Templates raita. I think you can try it. I'm not saying you to be 100% go for it, but in real time, when you go for offices, if you are a front-end developer, UI UX developer will give you images, icons, everything they will only give you. You don't need to worry about. But for you create portfolio, no one will give you, na? So that's why I'm telling you to Canva. Just create an account in that. It will be free will be there, paid will be there. Don't pay. Free things are also good. Try with free things only. Have first idea how to create it. If you have idea after seeing 3 4 websites, na, it would be easy. Someone in the online asked me some nice question. What is your view on AI replacing tech jobs? Should focus more? No. Do you think AI will replace you? Never. Let me tell you example. AI will never replace you human because humans don't have clear idea of what they want. Earlier, someone asked me to create it a logo for their Aman wants it their logo. Earlier Aman wants their logo, na. So what I did, I just created one logo. Did Aman specified me what is the logo, how they look? No. Aman did not tell. Aman tell me like I want logo. Then I was like, okay, he want logo. He wanted for developer portfolio. I just tried it. But AI don't know, na. AI gave me normal logos. But after seeing that, Aman did not like any logo. Because in his mind, a logo will look different. But he cannot express it exactly correct. What in his mind? 90% of the people will not search exactly correct in Google. They search randomly and Google will give you. Right? Imagine if Google checks grammar before you enter. No one will do Google search. Are you getting my point, sir? And someone who gives you work, client, will not have a clear mind on what they want. Someone who develops exactly will not be 100% sure what they were developing it. It's in a flow. They will go. That is 100% reality. Most people don't tell you. It's like I heard it some stories. They did experiment on some kind of another elements and they accidentally found radium. Okay. Scientists do usually they try to do one experiment and they end up with another thing. Have you ever heard of this, Sushma? 90% of the times your web development also will be there. So I don't think AI replace. AI will make work easy, like this giving images. But 100% sure, by seeing that image, you will understand it's AI image. Humans have something touch. Any skillful human will have some feel when they are doing it. If you make a shit also, humans make shit with a feel. But AI can't. How much because AI works with parameters. And human don't know what their parameters are there. You hate some person, you like some person, you talk some way, you walk some way, you eat something, you don't eat something, you like one movie, you don't like one movie. But do you know reasons? No. अरे वो मूवी कैसा है? नहीं. अच्छा नहीं. Why? Don't know. अच्छा नहीं. Like, but AI will not be like that. AI need to be each and every parameter should be there. If you say it like movie rating should be 7.5, it should be this much high, it should be this many minutes, then it will like every movie with that much one. Machine is machine. Don't give much importance. E- Every person who is doing, every person who is doing in online, especially YouTube, saying it AI will replace you are actually scamming you. They try to sell a course or something simple. AI will make your work easy, but AI will never do any kind of, replacing. 10 designs, you can do it in something like 2 days now instead of 10 days. That's fine, but you have to do it. You don't think it like AI will do it everything and I will just sleep and it will work. Never. Are you getting my point, ma online? But I'm telling about the people who really have skill. 100% exact reason. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's it for today. And Monday we will do our portfolio one. And if you get it any doubts also, bring it those things. I will add those things also into my project. For example, if you want any animation, you feel it something, sir, I want it like this. I will put that also in my portfolio project. Okay. Yeah. That's it, ma. Thank you all. Okay.